Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix this number is registered to your Apple ID but is not associated with this iPhone error. You may come across a message on your iPhone saying your number is linked with your Apple ID but not to your phone when you change your service provider. In this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check your settings. On your iPhone, head over to settings. Scroll down and go to phone option. Next, tap on my number. Make sure that this number minus your iMessage and FaceTime number. If it does not, contact your new carrier. Then tap on send and receive and make sure that your number is there and selected, and also go to FaceTime and make sure that your number is listed there and selected. If wrong number are listed in FaceTime or iMessages, you can add or remove your number in iMessages or FaceTime and you are done. And the next step is turn off iMessage and FaceTime and restart and then turn them on again. For this, go to settings, scroll down and go to messages, tap on it and then tap on iMessage toggle button to turn it off, and then restart your iPhone and tap on its toggle button to turn on again. Same for the FaceTime. Tap on FaceTime and then tap on its toggle button to turn it off, and then restart your device and then tap on its toggle button again after restarting to turn it on, and you are done. And the next step is sign out and sign in again. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on messages. Next, tap on send and receive and then tap on your Apple ID at the bottom. Next, tap on sign out and then restart your device and then sign in again. Sign in to both FaceTime and iMessages and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. Resetting network settings on an iPhone essentially erases all custom settings related to your network connections and restores them to their factory defaults. This includes Wi-Fi password, VPN configurations, cellular settings and Bluetooth connections. Your content and other settings will not be deleted. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom. Next, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of this number is registered to your Apple ID but is not associated with this iPhone error. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.